this is part 43, I believe. I said it was going to be 42, but I forgot 42 is before this. This is part 43. We're working on the 7.6, and we are continuing to move the transmission bolts so we can remove the transmission from the rear end. Because there's a couple issues, noticeable issues that we can see on the transmission, and we want them to get fixed. So while this tractor's apart, I'm going to disconnect the transmission. I'm going to get it looking right, get it working right, fix seals, gears, broken parts, anything that looks like it needs replaced. And that's basically the situation, you know. And leave a like. I'm out here in the pouring down rain, working on my tractor, getting it fixed so I go farm. Making another video, showing you guys how I'm doing it so you can fix your tractor the right way, because that's the only one. Because no one wants the job done wrong. People want the job done right, and N.R.T. specializes in doing the job right. So. That's that. Getting now we are leaving the top and bottom bolts in the transmission, so I have a way to remove the transmission safely where I don't damage me or damage the transmission. There's really not a really good hooking point on it, so I might have to make something. I didn't have malformed engine. I broke the front cardboard, broke the injection pump, all types of crushed the roof, crushed tank, crushed the steps. I mean, I've had my fair share of this tractor type. The job don't get done complaining. There's one more thing I got to fix. The roof I already had it fixed because it was cracking, so the tank wasn't dented. I'm going to have to get the tank on the bottom tank on it. I was just going to get a different tank because it's in such bad shape, but I can't find one. I actually picked up I found one over in the UK, but to have that tank that shipped here is probably going to be $500 if not more. So I'm probably just going to, hopefully, with some KBS coating, tank sealant stuff, I can get that tank a little bit built. And big thanks to KBS Coating for sending that stuff out. We will be having a video. We were going to do the original tank of the Odyssey, but I think that's pretty far gone. And it really needs TIG or braze, not MIG. I have a video coming up on that pretty soon, but I have the recon tank on everything's working good right now. Just need to finish the new wiring harness on the thing, and hopefully we get the spark. If we don't get the spark on, I don't know. I just don't know. gonna be pretty upsetting because it's like the 50, you know? It's like, you fix one issue and another issue pops up. I don't know. They're going to leave them 3 bolts up there, 3 bolts on the bottom, 4 bolts on the bottom. As a safety measure until I get like an engine crane or something, and then lift that on the way I can put chain or strap around it and lift it up. Right there, that old looking van right there is what you want to get to. We'll go through here, get everything looking right. I do have to take off this side. I'll probably do that side too, just because the gas is going to have to place. Make sure everything's good. I might just prime part by part and then assemble it together, part by part. I don't know. Or just might fix issues, clean it up, throw it back together, and then prime it and paint it as one. I don't know. And that's pretty much what's going on with the 7.6. Go up the front, talk about some things up there. I was on one website the other day, and that guy right there, in there, I think it's called the not PTO, something clutch. You're looking at finding a good use one of that, like $3,000. So hopefully that one's not bad. There's a whole bunch of oil in there, so something ain't right. Gotta tear that apart. That's another reason why I'm ripping the tranny off from the rear end there. So yeah. But for those who haven't been watching, got the front fiberglass mostly paint off, and got top toolbox cleaned. It's my little wood stove. There's an injection pump. I need to get some stovepipe so I can run that up and fire that up, because that'd be nice in here. And I need to get a tarp for there. Keep most of the rain and wind out. But mostly I'm just using my little heater right now, but it does alright. But it's not perfect, but well, I think it's gonna be a I'm trying to think what I can do, because I got them bolts out. Guess what I could do is organize this little table while you guys are here. It's not really restoring the tractor, but I mean, there's parts to it on the table, so I guess it kind of is. We'll work on this little table for a little bit, and then we'll call it a video. And like I was saying in my last video, sometimes I don't even want to make a video just because they don't get a lot of views, you know? And when you're a YouTuber and it feels like you're making videos that are practically pointless, and no one wants to watch, it's like, why even make videos anymore? But, there's that engine cover. Oh, talking about this stinking company, we got a video coming up on from them. You won't believe this crap. Long story short, I sent in my little die grinder tool. It's not the one I was using, but the other one. I don't think I've used it on the channel before. And they think it said it's not covered under warranty because I didn't provide proof of purchase. So I provide proof of purchase. Then they say it's not covered under warranty because you bought it from an unauthorized distributor. And then I'm like, well, I didn't buy it from them. I bought it from this company because it's shipped through that company, but I bought it through this company. And practically, they, I think, are sending my tool back unfixed. Hopefully I don't have to pay for return shipping. I'm already pretty upset about the situation, but I hate when they do that. Say they won't warranty something. And no, I explained to them what happened. I sent them video, sent them picture of what happened. I was using the tool and the blade broke off. I've never seen that happen. So, what the heck? Is the tool crap, or was it on was I cutting something that was too hard? I mean, I was cutting what it said it was recommended to cut. So what the heck? And there's situations like that. I mean, I got my couple other tools at them. I hope that they go ahead and warranty them. Because I really need them. I mean, I really use that die grinder, but when it broke, I was pretty upset. It's only $100 tool, but my elbow, I paid $650 for that thing. So I hope they warranty that, but I don't know. They have had those tools since the third week of November. And I have never had them take this long. But now I see what people are saying about, yeah, warranties are cool most of the time. And then, but man, I mean, I need my tools now. I got multiple jobs I need the tools for, and I don't have the tools. So it's like, do you go buy more tools, or do you just wait and hope that they warranty the stuff? I don't know. But it's pretty upsetting to me knowing how much money I've bought in their tools. I mean, when they treat me like that. Bunch of bullcrap, that's what I think it is. And I mean, yeah, you got Snap-on out there, but Snap-on, I mean, don't even give a crap. And Milwaukee did at one point, but I think they changed their warranty process or something, and now it's more strict or something. Now, I understand from a company's point of view, if it's not a warranty issue, they shouldn't have to pay for it. But the fact that Milwaukee has paid for issues that weren't considered under warranty, that is what makes me want to buy their tools. Not the fact that they warranty the tool, the fact that they go out of their way and take care of you no matter what. Or used to, I mean. Used to. I have a really bad feeling that I'm going to get all my tools back and they're not going to warranty any. I hope that is the case, but because if that's the case, what I'll do is I'll partner up with what is that called? Replacement parts something, and I'll get them to send me some parts, and I'll fix them myself. I'll tell Milwaukee to eat it, and I'll probably never buy a Milwaukee tool ever again in my life. It's that simple. They want to treat me like that, I'll treat them like that. If it wasn't for their customers, they wouldn't be a company. And it's like Snap-on too. You guys are doing it to yourself. With this N.R.T bull crap. And of course I can't get that out, but I got a broken bolt jammed in that socket. Hitting me right now. Right up. Yeah. Yeah, it's bullcrap. It really is bullcrap. That's my other death handle. You gotta do some repair to this guard too. That's gonna be pretty simple. And yeah, you know, I just don't care no more, I guess. And what do you guys take on this situation? Do you think these corporate operations like Milwaukee and Snap-on are getting a little out of control and they just don't give a crap about if you're full worse or not and just want to take your money and go invest in some Chinese realtor company? Or what's the situation? But my situation is I spend my money at your tools or on your tools, and you treat me right for that. There's plenty of other tool companies out there in Milwaukee. And if they recognize this video and want to talk to me, my email is in the channel's profile or my channel's email, and they can send me an email and we'll talk about the situation. I don't know if I'm going to put this video on Instagram, but if I do, they got a hold of me on Instagram, and they were like, you can send your tool into our e-service. Yeah, I know, I've done that. Guess what, I did that, and they said they're not going to warranty, even knowing it's within the warranty time. Like, are you freaking serious? What the heck, Milwaukee? Not cool at all. But then again, it all comes back to their corporation and they don't give a crap. It's like there's a whole bunch of bull crap involved in that because first off, if you weren't going to warranty it, you should say that, because now the tool's at you and you might send it back, you might not, it might have to pay for return shipping and all this type of stuff. It's like, what the hell? It's like, what the heck? Well, I think I want done ratting and rating, whatever the word is, or complaining about Milwaukee, but I'm really upset that they did that, you know? But I want to thank everyone for stopping by. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, leave me a like, leave a comment about what you think about these corporations, especially Milwaukee and Snap-on, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.